Replit Mobile App coding on my agent budget Android phone in Trinidad. I have a 3-year-old Samsung M30. I do almost everything on my mobile as my laptop is too slow and needs to be replaced. In the future, I would like to create a studio with a proper desk setup for coding and creating YouTube videos. But for now, I use my mobile phone. I was so happy to see that Replit created a mobile app for coding. According to their blog post, they are on a mission to turn smartphones from devices optimized for consumption into powerful creative tools. This is perfect for developing countries. The app has been tested successfully with unstable Wi-Fi and cheap $100 Android phones. I started by installing the app and creating an account. Next, I created a project. There are a bunch of technologies and templates to choose from. I decided to do some Rust coding. I don't remember using Replit before. The UI is user-friendly and the UX is intuitive. The app is feature-rich. You can use Git for source control, use the Replit key value database for CRUD, and run commands from the bash shell. You can share and collaborate with Replit. Replit is an online IDE that takes its name from the REPL, Read Evaluate Print Loop acronym. Replit provides hosting for HTTP servers and static websites, and you can use your custom domains. I will be using this app some more, and I will share my experience on my blog, Trinidad Techie. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more tech videos like this.